Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x800701b1, then let's look at the following options. So the first option is to open the command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we enter the command bc edit space /v and press enter. This should solve the issue, but if it doesn't, then we will update the disk drives driver. So this is helpful only for those systems which run a HDD, not the newer systems which work with the SSDs. So how do we do that is we look for device manager, click on this, go to disk drives, and here's your disk drive, right click and update driver. Now another option is to look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, click yes and enter the command chkdsk space /f space /r and press enter, and this should resolve the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.